Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Fundrise for passive income, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start using Fundrise for passive income, visit the Fundrise website. Create an account by providing your email address and setting a secure password. Complete the registration process by confirming your email through the link sent to your inbox. Once logged in, take a moment to explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the layout. Next, click on the Start Investing button to begin the investment process. You will be prompted to answer a few questions regarding your investment goals and risk tolerance. Select the type of investment strategy that suits you best, such as the starter portfolio or a custom plan. After that, review the available investment options that Fundrise presents based on your preferences. Choose the specific project or fund you want to invest in, taking note of the details provided. Enter the amount you wish to invest, ensuring it aligns with your financial goals. Proceed to review and confirm your investment selections. Once confirmed, Fundrise will process your investment, which typically takes a few minutes. You can monitor your investments through the dashboard, where you can track performance and earnings. Keep an eye on quarterly updates from Fundrise to stay informed about the performance of your investments. Consider reinvesting your earnings to benefit from compound growth over time. Remember to review your investment strategy regularly to ensure it remains aligned with your financial objectives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.